Congress is considering a bill that could enhance early detection of various cancers. Jody Hoyos, CEO of the Prevent Cancer Foundation, joins us this morning to talk about it. Jody, thank you so much for being with us.
Good morning, Dave. Thank you for having me.
Yeah, this is such an important topic. Cancer, as we know, just touches every family, and I would hope that so many out there already know about the importance of early detection of any type of cancer, but I suppose that bears repeating. It's such an important part of the process.
Oh, that's right. When it comes to cancer, early detection really does equal better outcomes. Early detection can mean more treatment options, less intensive treatment, and better survival rates. So we want to make sure the people of Austin are getting the routine cancer screenings they need.
So tell us a little bit more about those screenings and about some of these early cancer detection tools. We know that breakthroughs are being made in the fight against cancer all the time. I would imagine in the area of early detection, that's happening as well.
It is. It's exciting. So right now, when it comes to routine cancer screenings that we have Medicare coverage for, we have breast cancer screening, colorectal cancer, lung cancer, prostate and cervical cancer. But that's 5. There are 5 routine cancer screenings available now. And when we talk about cancer, it is actually 200 different diseases. So obviously there are many, many cancer types that we don't have routine screenings for. And remembering that routine screening is what gives us the ability to detect more cancers early and give you more treatment options. And so it's a very exciting time for early detection in that there are incredible innovations that are happening now. One of those being multi-cancer early detection blood tests.
At the same time, we see gaps in who's going to get those regular screenings. I know we want everyone to be involved in that process with their own health, just staying on top of regular screenings, especially as they age.
That's exactly right. That's exactly right. So we have multiple gaps. One of them is information sharing. So people don't know the screenings that they need. The Prevent Cancer Foundation does an annual early detection survey. We found that 7 in 10 people are behind on at least one routine screening, and the #1 reason across all groups is that they simply didn't know they needed to be screened. The second big gap is in innovation. So as I mentioned, over 200 cancer types, only 5 routine screenings. Those routine screenings are what enables us to detect cancer early. So we need to be able to detect more cancers early, and we need to make it easy for people. And that's where multi-cancer early detection tests come in. It's an incredibly exciting innovation.
Yeah. To jump back real quick, what about the bill in front of Congress? I imagine that could help in all these efforts?
That's an incredible help. So it's called the Nancy Gardner-Sewell Medicare Multi-Cancer Early Detection Screening Coverage Act. I know it's a long one, but it's critically important. That legislation aims to update or modernize Medicare so that they have the ability to review those tests for coverage so that older Americans can have access to those tests. As it stands now, the Center for Medicare and Medicaid Services, and that's the group that oversees Medicare, does not have a mechanism to review these tests once they receive FDA approval. We don't want people to have to wait for better health outcomes through early detection. So it's really critically important that Congress pass that legislation this year.
Absolutely. And as real quick as we go, for more information on all types of early detection and all this work, where's a good place to check that out?
PreventCancer.org. You can find information about the legislation and the routine screenings you need.
Wonderful. Again, very important information in the fight against cancer and early detection of cancer. Jody Hoyos, thank you so much for your time. We appreciate it.
Thank you.